What's up guys, it's Finest Finance here. Did you know that you can sometimes lower the interest rate you have on your debt? This is done with debt consolidation and it could help you save some money when paying off your debt. But beware, did you know that some debt consolidation deals are just a scam? In today's video I will show you an example of a good deal and an example of a bad deal. Stay tuned. So, what is debt consolidation? It is a debt that you take to pay off your other debts. Basically, you use one debt to pay off multiple debts, meaning that debt consolidation is a combination of several debts. Because of this, you might be able to lower the interest rate of your debts, which might result in paying less money in total. This usually results in extended repayment terms, which means that you'll stay in debt longer, and because of that, you might in fact end up paying more in total than without debt consolidation. Let's take a look at a good debt consolidation deal. Let's say that you have two different debts, $15,000 of credit card debt with annual interest rate of 15% and $10,000 student loan debt with annual interest rate of 6%. Both of them have a 2-year plan, meaning that every month you have to pay $727 for your credit card and $443 for your student loan, which equals $1,170 in total. After 2 years, the total you have paid will be $18,175 for the credit card and $11,075 for the student loan, which equals $29,250 in total. Now you are offered a debt consolidation deal where you have to pay that combined $25,000 debt in 3 years with an annual interest rate of 6%. With this deal, the monthly payment would be $761. That sounds great, you have to pay less every month and the interest rate is only 6%, but what about the total amount paid? Well, in this case, it's $27,396, meaning that you save $1,854. But considering the fact that you were in debt 1 year longer, it might still not really be worth it. But if you would rather pay less every month, this deal would be a good deal because you are also paying less in total. Let's now take a look at the bad debt consolidation deal. Let's use the same numbers here. Without debt consolidation, you would have to pay $29,250 in total for the credit card debt and the student loan debt. Now you are offered a debt consolidation deal where you can pay off your debt in 5 years with an annual interest rate of 6%. Great! Now you only have to pay $483 every month. This must be a great deal, right? Well, let's take a look at the total amount paid. The total amount paid is $29,463, which is $213 more than without debt consolidation. And on top of that, instead of 2 years, it took you 5 years to pay off your debt. As you can see, some debt consolidation deals are just a scam. They look like a great deal, but in fact, you will end up paying more. This is because of the fact that it takes you longer to pay off the debt, which makes the total amount of interest paid higher. While the amount you pay more is not much in this example, in some cases it could be thousands depending on the time and the interest rate. And even when the amount is small, like in our example, you would have to be in debt for 3 years longer. One other issue that debt consolidation deals have is that the interest rate can change. The interest rate offered can be a promotion which expires after 1 year, for example. After that, the rate can go up, which means that you will end up paying even more money. So always be on guard about that. Let's say that in our example, the annual interest rate of 6% was only a promotion and after that the interest rate is 8%. This means that you would now have to pay over $1,000 more. So to put it short, debt consolidation can be a good idea, but even then it doesn't really make a huge difference. Often you will end up paying more in total than what you would have paid without the debt consolidation. If you can't pay the monthly payments for your debt, then you could consider expanding the time period for your debts to make the monthly payment smaller, but if that isn't the issue, I would stay away from debt consolidation. It keeps you in debt longer and the interest rate can always change during that time period. So instead of debt consolidation, you should look for other ways to pay off your debt, mainly improving your spending habits. I have a step-by-step guide to becoming debt-free if you want to check that out. A link can be found in the description. Let me know in the comments what's your opinion about debt consolidation deals. Like and share the video if you find it helpful and subscribe so you don't miss out the future videos. Next week's video should be about investing, so make sure to check that out. My name is Finest Finance, have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.